Part 4, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. A hot potato. Hindi. Vivadet or katin mamla. Explanation. A topic or issue that is difficult to handle and causes arguments. Example, the new rule became a hot potato in the school meeting. 2. A juggling act. Hindi. Ek saath kai kaam samphalna. Explanation. Managing many tasks at the same time. Example, being a teacher and a parent is a juggling act. 3. A kernel of truth. Hindi. Thodi si sachai. Explanation. A small part of something that is true. Example, there was a kernel of truth in his story. 4. A knee slapper. Hindi. Bahut mazedar. Explanation. A joke that is extremely funny. Example, his joke was such a knee slapper that everyone laughed loudly. 5. A knuckle sandwich. Hindi. Kunsa marne ki dhamki. Explanation. A humorous way to say someone will be punched. Example, the bully threatened to give him a knuckle sandwich. 6. A leap of faith. Hindi. Bina puri jankari ke bada faisla. Explanation. Trusting something enough to take a risk. Example, starting my own business was a leap of faith. 7. A lion's share. Hindi. Sabse bada hissa. Explanation. The largest portion of something. Example, she got the lion's share of appreciation in the event. 8. A long haul. Hindi. Lamba or katin suffer. Explanation. Something that takes a lot of time and effort. Example, preparing for exams is a long haul. 9. A narrow escape. Hindi. Bal bachna. Explanation. Escaping from danger just in time. Example, he had a narrow escape in the road accident. 10. A pat on the back. Prashansa ya shabashi. Explanation. Praise or recognition for good work. Example, the teacher gave her a pat on the back for her effort.